Welcome back, guys. Let's solve problem 2181, merge nodes in between zero. Okay, so let me tell you what this question is saying. Suppose I have given a linked list. This is head, and what I have to do is I have to make a new linked list in such a way that I'll do the sum between the zeros, and whatever the sum is, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'll make a new node like this and return this. Okay, so how can we do this? Simple thing is we will iterate over a linked list and have a variable val. I have a variable val in the starting would be 0 and I have a pointer. The moment I see 0, what I will do is I have a linked list. I have a new linked list and I will make a new node with a value val. Okay, so I am at 0, so I will make a node 0. Okay, now I move my pointer to here. So what's the value 3? I increment val by 3. Again, I move to 1. What's the value 1? I'll make this 1. The moment I reach 0, I'll find that there I have to put a new node. So what I will do is create a new node with a value val and mark this again as 0. And same 4 plus 5 plus 2. The moment I go to 0, I make a new node with a value 11 and return the next of next. Okay, let's code this up. I need a linked list, so I'm making a new linked list. Okay, now I prefer to use DFS. You can use even while loop also. Here, implementation. If not node, then return. Okay, if node dot where equal to 0, I have to make a new linked list. So dummy dot next equals to list node where and iterate dummy to the next value and make this value as 0. Else what I have to do is val plus dummy node dot where, and I have to call the DFS also. So let's call the DFS was the next dot next, and let me call the DFS again. Not again, for the first time. Go for the function and return res dot next. Okay, let's run this, and there is an error. Why I'm using temp here. Yeah. So let's submit this, and yes, hopefully it will also submit properly. In this, the time complexity is O of n and space is O of n also. But for that, if you want to reduce the time complexity, you can use this old no linked list. But in some interviews, they are saying that you can't change the input, so you have to make a new. So for this, you need a time complexity O of n and space O of n. Okay. Hope you understand this concept. If you do this, give it a like, subscribe. Okay. See you.